I'm Emanuele Presenti from Gelato Naturale Academy, and I'm here to teach you my innovative balancing system.
The Presenti balancing system has only 4 steps and allows you to use every raw material that you want. You can make a natural gelato that has really a unique taste because you can make it more creamy, less creamy, sweeter, not so sweet, and you can use your own raw material you can find in your country. We are the only school that sets you free from product sellers because we teach you how you can make everything from scratch. We start from our live courses in Grosseto in Tuscany, where we have the basic course, the intermediate, the advanced, the specialization course, and we have a very interesting totally vegan class. We have also video lessons, video masters and recipe packages that you can download from your home. And we have also a coaching where we follow your gelato shop and bring you to the success. We also followed many openings worldwide, from Australia to India to California, all Europe, and Emanuele has a big knowledge and he teaches you everything he knows just for your success, not because he wants to sell you some products. Welcome to our school. Together we will make your best Gelato Naturale.